Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you. This is a Space Age Electronics and a Gentex alarm, and they're both rare. Enjoy! So here's the Space Age Electronics. The Space Age Electronics V33. This thing is so light. Oh my gosh. But yeah, here it is. This is the Gentex one. The rare Gentex one. There's the back of it. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. Is there stuff in there? Oh, there is. Just screws and stuff. Here it is. Oh, jeez. Are you not staying? Oh, whatever. Okay. So this is a Gentex WGMS2475WR. I'm the second YouTuber to actually own one of these. Second. Out of everyone on YouTube to own one of these. I think that's very cool. A lot of YouTubers actually own this. But yeah, it's rare. It's from like the 60s or something. So that's cool. And this is also rare. So, really cool. I'm very happy to have these alarms. And yeah, I won't be able to use that one with my system over here though. Yeah, that's my demo board that I have built. I have a few things getting shipped in that will help me because I kind of made a mistake. So now I don't have a battery cable. So I'm going to be doing a do-it-yourself battery cable. And I'm going to fix the battery cord so that way I can have my batteries connected. Yes, I have batteries in there. I just don't have it connected because I have to make my cord. So I'll be doing that soon. Probably, I don't know if I'm going to be doing it before or after my trip to Atlanta, but I'll do it eventually. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.